to learn about weird bird beaks. All birds have beaks. Some are weird, some are not weird. And this is a bearded barbet. Its beak has a beard. People get that name because its beard is on its beak. The beard is on its beak because it looks like an old man. Silly bird. It's just looked like that because it's had a shaped beard on its beak. See? Its beak has a beard. People get that name because it had a beard on the beak. Okay? Did you get that bearded barbet that I saw long ago? And this is a crossbow. A crossbow has a beak shaped like an X at the end. The X is used to cut pine cones and get the nuts in the pine cones. Some stay on one side until the pine cones flow away and then bites the pine cones. It can see pine cones until it stands in one place. Here, stand in one place. It stands in one place until the pine cone goes and flows away until it catches and the nuts fall down. And then it eats the pine cones. Yummy fruit for the pine cones. It eats pine cones. This is a rhinoceros hornbill. Rhinoceros hornbill eats some things. It eats fruit. It uses its horn to knock down fruit. Knock down fruit. Because its horns is this like a rhinoceros. But there is something strange. This bird has a beak and uses its horn to knock down some things. This is a huyas. Huyas lived in New Zealand until it became extinct. Lived while it became extinct. Silly huyas. Huyas lives in New Zealand and eats some things. The male has a strong beak, and the female has a curved beak. I can see the female. It has a curved beak. That looks like a crane. It picks its fruits with its beak. Then it uses its beak to let it home with the crane. This bird. This is a swordbill hummingbird. A swordbill hummingbird is a bird that uses its long beak. People give it its name because it has its long beak. It uses its long tongue to stick nectars in the drink and came back to make honey for us to eat. This hummingbird is really has a big, very long beak. A very long beak. People get its name because it has a beak shaped long. Here, brown pelican. A brown pelican has a big mouth. It scoops up fish. Another fish scoops up in its mouth. When a gull sits on its head and its back, it gets its fish away. You see? This pelican is sharing fish for the gull. So the pelican and the gull are best friends, like just Hippo and the turtle. This is a shoebill stork. People get its name because it's big shaped like a shoe. Funny bird, you. frogs and small crocodiles. It has a big long beak to scoop a fish. Crocodiles, frog, but its mouth is too long for its manners. So it swallows something that's smaller than it. This is a spoonbill. A spoonbill. Guess his name because it's shaped like a spoon. It's being shaped like a spoon. Funny, right? It eats fish, shellfish, and small fish, frogs, seaweeds. When the fish comes up, it's snapped right at the fish. And a toucan. Toucan has a really, really funny beak. Some make a funny things that I like. It has something strange happening. It has a beak back here. It has a beak here because it has a colorful beak. Colorful beak. It has a colorful beak. I see this toucan. A weird bird beak is sometimes really strange. All of them has weird. Toucan has the most colorful beak, and shoebill stork has the weirdest. Goodbye. See you next time. Take care now.